Welcome to English Exports. 14 phrasal verbs to talk about problems and solutions. Deal with. To handle or manage. For examples, they're not sure how to deal with the problem. He needs to learn to deal with criticism. Work out. To find a solution. For examples, let's wait and see how it works out. He worked out the solution to the problem. Figure out. To understand or solve. For examples, let's figure out a way to fix the issue. He's still trying to figure out his career path. Sort through. To examine and organize. For examples, I need to sort through my emails. He's sorting through the files on his computer. Get over. To recover from. For examples, it's hard to get over the disappointment of not getting the promotion. It took me a while to get over the disappointment of not getting the promotion. Iron out. To resolve differences or issues. For examples, we need to iron out the details before we proceed. They're working hard to iron out the contract. Clear up. To clarify or resolve confusion. For examples, I need to clear up the misunderstanding with her. Let's clear up any misconceptions before we proceed. Straighten out. To resolve or clarify. For examples, it's time to straighten out the misunderstandings between us. We gotta clear up the role confusion. Fix up. To repair or improve. For examples, we should fix up the outdated furniture. The carpenter will fix up the furniture. Sort out. To resolve or organize. For examples, let's sort out the paperwork before the meeting. Let's sit down and sort out a plan for the project. Hammer out. To negotiate or settle. For examples, work to hammer out details. It took hours to hammer out the details of the contract. Face up to. to confront, or deal with. For examples, it's time to face up to your fears. It's time to face up to reality. Lay out. To explain, or present clearly. For examples, let me lay out the plan for you. He'll lay out the plan for the project. Smooth over. To make less problematic or tense. For examples, let's smooth over any rough patches in the negotiation. She used humor to smooth over the awkward situation.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment down. YouTube.